welcome to my channel. I made shrimp cocktail for Keith's birthday. What to do with the shrimp, right? So I thought I would try to make a shrimp dip. I took all of the ends off of my shrimp. This shrimp was from Trader Joe's in the frozen aisle, already cooked. I just thawed it out, put lemon on it and Old Bay seasoning. I love this for seafood. Those living herbs that you can buy at the grocery store, I actually put it in the ground when I was done with all the dill on the top and it grew. I think it's nice to have a recipe from something that's left over. And instead of going out and buying all the ingredients for a recipe, it's nice just to make something with what you have. So this is a good example of that. I have a block of cream cheese inside my food processor along with my shrimp, a half a cup of sour cream, chives, and some dill to taste. You can use whipped cream cheese, would be easier because it'll blend a lot easier, but I have this block and I want to use it up. And this shrimp already has lemon and Old Bay seasoning on it, so there is some seasoning. Now for my chives. This is the cheese that I'm always talking about. It's at Trader Joe's. It's from New Zealand, pasture raised, and they don't have hormones. They're organic. And it comes in a block. I shred it up and then put it in a Ziploc bag. Half a cup. Because we're gonna bake this and put cheese on top, so we don't need that much in it. But I think a little bit might bind it together. You could use Parmesan, you could use mozzarella, you could use any cheese for this. A little aluminum tin that I'm going to spray with some cooking spray. Just pour this into it. It's one of the hottest days of the year here in Seal Beach, so I'm not going to heat up my oven. I'm going to use my air fryer to bake this. I'll put it in here to bake for 5 minutes and then I'll put cheese on it and put it on for another 5 minutes. In here at 350 for 5 minutes and then I'll put cheese on top into another 5 minutes. It has been 7 minutes and it's heated all the way through. So now I'll put the rest of my cheddar cheese on there and put it on for maybe 3 more minutes. I'm a big cheese freak, so I put too much cheese on everything. So this is really to taste. I don't know if I said, but this is Keto Shrimp Dip. So there it is. I'll put it back in there for, my guess is 3 minutes. This thing cooks really fast. If you don't want to make a shrimp dip with this, you could have omitted the sour cream and just had the shrimp, the cream cheese, the spices, pork panko to bind it all together. And you could make shrimp cakes, like crab cakes but shrimp cakes. Just turn them into patties and fry them. Parmesan cheese instead of the pork panko. And then make the patties, or you could even make them into balls. And dip them in scrambled egg, and then dip them in your pork panko, and put them in here, and they could like be little bite-sized fried shrimp balls or fried shrimp patties. You see how oozy, cheesy, oh shit, oozy, cheesy, melty it is. Now what to eat with this? Mama Lupe's low carb tortillas. Turn them over and spray the other side. Probably a minute on one side and then turn them. We'll see. Nice crispy tortilla chips. There you go. Beautiful shrimp dip. This would be excellent to take to a party. Hostess would love you for it. And let me know if you try it. Thanks for watching. Let's see if the husband likes it. I won't tell him I'm still filming.
Oh, it's on.
It's not.
It is too.
It is not.
It is too. It's filming right
Let's
now.
try it.
It's filming right now. You could have told me.
Tell the people.
No, you could have told me.
Get over it. Just try it.
That's good.
It's good you haven't tried it yet.
It's good.
Use the spoon.
Oh.
You must have that one there.
Okay.
Cheese
Okay.
on it.
Oh, see, that's why I don't do this.
You messed the whole thing
Well,
up.
now I can't.
So nervous. Don't worry. I can edit
I'm
it
not
out.
nervous. Good.
Look at the camera and say it.
Good. We're good.
Don't get too excited.
The best ever.
Say it louder.
Best ever.
Best ever what?
Stop telling me what to do.
What? It's running from me.
I'll sit up there. A stranger on it.
Just four more bites.
Put a shirt on you, Tommy.
Everyone loves you in my videos. You got out the camera. Okay, fine, we turn it off now.